Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here with another video today. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out my video today. Going to be real quick. As you can see, the subject for this video is Nexus Rewards getting started. Okay, now if you look here for me, it says low cost. Now we've got a tremendous low cost, high profit potential business opportunity. Okay. And so low cost, there is a one-time $40 setup fee. So that's one-time $40 out of pocket. And then there is a $9.95 or $10 a month subscription fee. Okay. And you do that to become a premium member with Nexus. All right. And here it says earn multiple $25 payments. Now, before I leave here about becoming a premium member, you can also sign up for free as well. And there are some benefits to the free program, but obviously you're going to get most of your benefits, the better benefits, by becoming a premium member for $10 a month and the one-time setup fee. Okay. Now, if you see here, earn multiple $25 payments with our powerful referral rewards program. You can start seeing money flow in as soon as you get started. And the best part, this is just the beginning. Okay. Also, before I move on, we've got a wonderful matrix part of the compensation plan where you can earn up to $22,000 a month. And also we've got bonuses and all kinds of ways for you to make money with our program. Okay. Premium members get discounts, savings, and cashback on existing expenses and purchases both online and offline. Premium members can also participate in our lucrative referral rewards program. Guess what? No risk. Nexus offers premium members a 7-day unconditional 100% money back guarantee. Okay. Now I've got one other thing I want to share real quick, and then we're going to shut this video down. Okay. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that there's also going to be a link to the program that you're looking at here, the ultimate, and this is what I'm calling it in this video, the ultimate money making machine, because that is exactly what it is. And I'm going to leave the link and you can go visit the website. This is a $30 one-time out-of-pocket program where you can earn multiple $20 payments over and over again. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link. Check out the website, and it is a very dynamic program. Okay, so I'll leave a link for that. Okay, all right. Okay, so there you have it for this video. And again, I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check it out. And be sure to grab those links in the description area of this video. Just look around. I'm telling you, some very powerful opportunities here. Low cost, high profit potential opportunities. Get started in 2025 with doing something, exciting, something to help you to make some money. I'm Terry Brown. You be blessed. Bye-bye.